what is the checklist on Vinny's mind to be like, okay, I want to go forward with sampling? Or what is that checklist looking like in your head? Mm-hmm.
So your checklist is pretty simple. Who are they doing business with? What are the products they're shipping? At what price they're shipping? To whom they are shipping?
Okay.
That's basic.
Okay.
Okay. Second is understanding what kind of a machinery they have,
Okay.
how many sewing lines they have, how many
Mm-hmm.
people they employ, which gives you some sort of an indication of the infrastructure. And let's say everything checks out. You are satisfied that they are working with your competition. Look, if they're saying I'm shipping, hypothetically, they say I ship to X, Y, and Z retailer. How difficult is it for you to go to that store and buy that product to
Gotcha.
actually see? But that's a basic checklist you will go through.
Okay.
But bigger one is, do they even have the infrastructure? Do they have any audits? Because in today's day and age, if a factory doesn't have an audit, you probably don't want to work with them. They
Of
have to
course.
have some kind of an audit.
Okay.
So from an audit report, you can see somebody has validated, right? A third party has gone in and validated there is a building.
Mm-hmm.
In that building, there is a person. In
Mm-hmm.
that person, there is a sewing line. It's a detail which is signed off by a third party. It's simple, right? And now everything checked out. Okay, let me place an order for 500 pieces if that's your MOQ, or
Okay.
100 pieces if that's your MOQ.